Architecture is the art of shaping the world we live in. It is about dreams, imagination, and inspiration. Welcome to the School of Art and Architecture at Sushant University, Gurugram, one of India's most celebrated and enduring architecture institutes with a legacy of over 35 years of excellence. Established in 1989, SAA has grown into a powerhouse of creative and technical education, home to 80 plus diverse faculty, world class infrastructure, and a vibrant multicultural campus life. With 15 plus international collaborations, including institutions across the UK and beyond, students here gain a truly global perspective on design and the built environment.
Hello, this is Naveen Piplani. I am the Dean of the Sushant School of Art and Architecture at the Sushant University. This school began in 1989, and this was at that time the first private institute in Delhi NCR after a government school which is in the ITO. Now, over the years, the school has grown. In fact, the university has grown. You will see several other schools in the university campus, and it has all been the vision of late Padma Shri Man Singh Rana, who established the school from 40 students, and now we have more than 400 students in this one particular building. This is outside the other schools of the university. So the Sushant School of Art and Architecture today has Master's program, the Bachelor of Fine Arts program, the Masters of Planning program, and overall a faculty of more than 50 national and international, and over 400 students. And you will be even surprised to know that we have an alumni of 1,500 plus all over the world, be it United States of America, Australia, Europe, UK, Africa, Singapore, Middle East. Wherever you go, you will find a student of Sushant School of Art and Architecture. And this school has a diversity of both faculty and the students. Good thing is that we don't have a reservation or a quota system like many other schools. Here, students come from all over the country, of all backgrounds, all geopolitical conditions, cultural backing up, etc. And they all study here, as the diversity of the country. So we have people from south, from northeast, from north, from west, from central, and they all study here hand to hand, and they make friends with each other. Our curriculum evolves every now and then, particularly every 6 months, which is a semester. Our faculty gets trained every now and then. We have a big focus on sustainability, on climate change, on development, urban development, on migration, population growth, multi-story high-rise, pollution, and all the issues that you come across that urban growth or metropolitan cities today face, they are taught here. We train our architects to align with the goals of the government, particularly our Honorable Prime Minister's Viksit Bharat 2047 program. How will it become Viksit? It will become Viksit when the architects are designing infrastructure, when the architects are designing needs of the people, when the architects are providing you with all the institutes, hospitals, malls, bridges, flyovers, airports, underground passages, etc., etc. And they are all working towards giving a habitat or an environment that can sustain more than 130 billion population of the country. That's when we will become a real Viksit Bharat. Our Prime Minister also has a very important message, which is Virasat Bhi, Vikas Bhi. Here again, we focus on our rural areas, all our cultural heritage, built heritage, our hills, our mountains, our rivers, our iconic structures, our monuments, our red forts and Qutub Minars. Plus, we look at the metro also at the same time. So we are looking both at the past and at the future at the same time, and we equip our students to bridge that gap. So we are not only talking about the India knowledge system, we are also talking about the artificial intelligence at the same time, so that there is a vertical and a horizontal link. And this is what makes Sushant School of Art and Architecture unique, and I think it is the only one of its kind in the country that brings so much in 5 years, so that our students become equipped to deal with any challenges of the country, of the city, or of the town where they live. We look into the future with the strength and the experience of the past. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Professor Rakesh Ranjan, Vice Chancellor Sushant University. This university as an institute started in 1989, so you can just imagine it has been in a standing since last 32 years plus, and we have been growing right from one institute to 7 schools at present in the various field, starting with School of Art and Architecture, School of Design, School of Engineering and Technology, School of Business, Health Sciences, Hospitality, and the Law School. So we have come a long way, and I'm sure that when you talk about Sushant name, probably your neighbor would be telling you about the art and architecture, because we take the pride to share time and again that we are the only institute in this particular area who deal with the quality educations in art and architecture. And I have no hesitation to say that you will find every second celebrated architects are the alumni of this particular school. The vision of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, where he says that the whole world is one and we are the global citizens. And I'm very happy to share that we are probably the only university in this particular region having largest number of foreign collaboration, where our students every semester goes to the foreign university, they earn the degree, come back, and those credits are accepted by Sushant University.
Myself, Professor Dr. Sanjeev Sharma. I am serving here as a Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Dean of School of Health Sciences. It's the responsibility of any institute to provide not only enjoyable education but employable education. And that is our motto, that is our aim, that is our objective, that is our intent. So, in a way we can say that we always believe in quality education with futuristic approach, and that aim is not only for any particular school of this university. We have 8 flagship schools like architecture, design, engineering, health sciences, management. Everywhere we are providing with the same intent. We are designing the content in a same way.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Anil Dahiya. At Sushant University, we believe that education is not just about earning degree. It's about shaping perspective, it's about building characters, it's about creating future leaders. As Director Strategy, Marketing and Media, I take immense pride how we are evolving to align with global standards, industry expectations. At Sushant University, our focus remains on innovation, experiential learning, and meaningful collaboration that open real-world opportunities for our students. Every initiative we undertake at Sushant University is driven by commitment to excellence, to our student success. We are not just preparing students for careers, we are empowering them to lead, we are empowering them to innovate, we are empowering them to make lasting impact. At Sushant University, the journey here is about transformation of ideas, transformation of skills, and of ambitions. Together, we continue to build a future that is progressive, dynamic, impactful, and full of opportunities. Thank you. Namaste.
From research-led teaching and live industry projects to memberships with prestigious bodies like Ecomos and Intaj SAR trains architects who are not just technically skilled but culturally aware, socially responsible and future-ready. A proud alumni base of 1,500 plus professionals working on prestigious projects across the globe is a testament to the school's global impact on design, innovation and creativity. The School of Art and Architecture, Sushant University. Creative engagement for enhanced human experience.